Hi there, I'm Peter Millard, and I've got a real quick Tuesday tip for you today, and that's coming up next. You know, one of the great things about doing bits and pieces for YouTube is basically you guys. You guys are great. It's the YouTube community. It's the things that you come up with in the comments. Sometimes they're original. Sometimes they're things you've been doing for years and you probably can't believe that nobody else knows this. Sometimes they're things that I have tried myself and forgotten about. But it's just things that you come up with are absolutely fantastic. And thank you, everybody, for pitching in on the comments. I know me and Andy in the podcast complain long and loud about some of the crazy comments that we get, but the vast majority are absolutely fantastic. And I had some fantastic ones last week. I did my installs series, a 3-part, pre-install, prepping the materials, the furniture, pre-install, prepping the gear to make sure I haven't left anything behind, and post-install, bringing everything back and just sorting everything out. And one of the comments that came up, I was organising my dust sheets. I use sort of cotton dust sheets to wrap everything in. And afterwards, it's just all a real mess. And I've got to fold them up and tidy them up. And one of the comments came from a subscriber, Harvey Smith. Harvey Smith, yep, who said, quick tip, when you finish with the dust sheets, put a ratchet strap around them just to bundle them up tightly. That's a great idea. What I normally do, and you didn't see it actually in that video, was I wrap a stair runner around them so it's all contained and you can sort of haul them around. But you still need 2 hands. If you've got a ratchet strap around it, then it works really well. You can carry them single-handed. That's a great idea, and thank you, Harvey, for that. And then Peter Fitzpatrick replied to that to say, what I've done, if you've got access to a vacuum, is to use one of those vacuum bags that you have for shrinking down duvets and that kind of thing. And that just kind of really struck a chord with me, because I've done something similar to that for clients before in their homes when we're packing stuff away in their loft, but not using a proper vacuum bag, just using a black plastic bin bag. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I've got a stack of dust sheets just folded up neatly, ready to go. I'm going to pull a couple of lengths of gaffer tape or duct tape off a roll. Get them ready. I'm going to take a regular black bin bag or trash sack, whatever you want to call them. Again, just off a roll. We'll open that out. We'll get that dust sheet in there. I'll tie that in a knot. Nice and tight. Flip that over, and there's just a little sort of gap just in there. You just get your fingers in there. What we'll do, we'll get our regular extractor, we'll put that inside, and then we'll fire it up. Then, with everything still held tight, you can tape that up tightly. Now, fairly obviously, this is just a regular bin bag, a trash bag, whatever you want to call it. It's not designed to be airtight, so it will let air in over time. But that is a much, much neater package than we had before. And provided you jam that into a shelf somewhere, as it expands, it'll only expand as far as the shelf allows. What a fantastic idea. And it's all come from you guys, my subscribers. So thank you very much indeed for that. I hope you've enjoyed that quick tip from Harvey Smith and some Peter Fitzpatrick, and a little bit from me as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.